So what is the main role of the sales BD person within the EPC firm? Mainly to identify and serve client targets in a very specific way. Key, it must be done in a timely manner where specific business opportunities that the EPC firm would want to pursue and at the same time serve its clients' customers' needs and requirements. More specifically, the clients typically are designated assigned by the EPC firm employer. Generally, those with large significant capital expenditures, also known as CAPEX, are the ones that receive prominence. The client pool is then comprised of either existing clients, meaning current or previous work, and or new clients where there is no previous work but potential opportunity exists. Existing clients must be maintained and continually cultivated. New clients must first be cultivated, then maintained. The sales BD Pro must establish and maintain themselves as the primary contact between their firm and the client. The primary function of the sales BD Pro is to establish and or maintain the business relationship between the client and your firm, regardless of outcome, win or lose, on any particular project business opportunity. The key to satisfying the primary function of the sales BD role is to treat all clients as if they had top priority, regardless of their firm's internal propensities. The secondary function of the sales BD Pro is to work internally with the EPC firm's proposal team on specific project opportunities and successfully sell, that is, close deals, for their firm's value proposition on those EPC projects or EPC services opportunities. In most cases, the quality of the proposal submitted by the EPC firm is indicative of the win or lose outcome and is a critical component of the successful selling exercise. Typically, the success and recognition of the sales BD Pro within their firm is a function of the business relationship between the client and your firm, as well as the specific contract awards and deal closings achieved.